Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Maths Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Here we need to solve this trigonometric question without using trigonometric table. So which means we need to solve this question using trigonometric identities. So let's write down the basic trigonometric identities which we are going to use in this question. Given sine 35 degrees cos 55 plus cos 35 sine 55 whole divided by cosecant square 10 minus tan square 80. See, the numerator is in the form of sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So write that formula: sine A cos B plus cos A sine B equals to sine A plus B. And we have a cosecant square theta, so cosecant square can be written as 1 by sine square. So cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sine theta. And another trigonometric identity which we are going to use in this question is secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So let's use the first identity which I have written here. So sine A cos B and cos A sine B equals to sine A plus B. So we have A is 35 here, the B is 55 degree. So we'll get sine A plus B, which is 35 plus 55. Whole divided by, we have a cosecant square 10. So that cosecant square 10 can be written as cosecant square 90 minus 80. So 10 can be written as 90 minus 80, and write down the tan square 80 as it is, like this. Okay, so now we know that the cosecant square 90 minus 80, cosecant square 90 minus theta becomes secant square theta. So we'll get secant square theta minus tan square theta, tan square 80, secant square 80 minus tan square 80. And the numerator 35 plus 55 becomes 90. So sine 90 value is, we know that it is 1, and in denominator is in the form of sine square secant square theta minus tan square theta, so which is 1. So we can conclude that 1 by 1, which is 1. So 1 is the answer. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.